Is you ain't my baby.
The documentary reports that excuse isn't holding up very well either. Lindsay was an explanation for the cocaine in her pocket. The star said she was wearing someone else's head. This is the home of Lindsay's mom, Tina Lowe, on Long Island. The Lowe family is weathering the storm of household wars. But this is very excuses for Lindsay. Now those excuses are being met with skepticism and even ridicule. Across the country,
You talk better than I do. You talk.
denial.
And she claims they were not prepared for it.
That's the question. Are you aware enough to know what's in your own hands?
They go back and run down, huh?
Here's your first look at the 20-year-old.
Speak!
Driving Lindsay around
Speak!
the day before the arrest. Karen's mother, Michelle Kent, is a celebrity facialist receiving glowing skin and 2 stars like Madonna and Gwyneth Paltrow. It was the facialist who
You must have hung up.
Lindsay was chasing her through Santa Monica at high speed.
I need the dog's pants so I can get him fed.
Get in the trash can.
And the paper.
Shut up.
But to have her mother, father,
As the oldest of her 2 grandchildren, Lindsay was but despite her many attempts, she hasn't spoken to Lindsay for several months.
but when Lindsay
More details have emerged about the alcohol monitoring for
Where you in?
rehab 2 weeks ago. The anklet was being monitored by Lindsay's lawyer. The defendant Tracy Gold. The team reported that she realized that Lindsay
Help!
as we exclusively report.
Please help me, I'm falling in love with you. You told me those lies and I believed you.